This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete all Facebook posts at once from profile. So if you posted a lots of posts or photos and videos on your Facebook profile and now you want to delete all of them, follow these simple steps. So first of all, let's see the process in mobile. On your mobile, launch the Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. Then open your profile. Once you are in your profile page, tap on this three dot and here tap on activity log. You will find your post option here. So tap on manage your post. And here you will get all of your posts. To delete all of them at once, tap on all to select all posts. And now you have to tap on recycle bin. Tap on move to trash. And all of your posts will be moved to the recycle bin folder, and from the recycle bin folder all photos or videos will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So this is how we can delete all Facebook posts at once from profile. Now let's see the process in computer. On your computer, open Facebook and open your profile. Once you are in your profile, click on this three dot and click on activity log, and here click on your post, and here you will find your all post. Now click on all to select all and click on recycle bin, move to trash, and your all post will be deleted from your profile. And it may take some time to delete all of your posts. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.